Hello traders, as promised I will provide a more in-depth analysis on XauUsd today because I believe the trend has changed and we are heading towards 2200 and even below in the coming weeks into the summer. Last week I argued that XauUsd is heading towards 2300 and below. Although I was briefly bullish on Thursday, on Friday I predicted that the NFP report could bring a reversal, and indeed we saw a significant drop. Now let me explain why I'm so bearish on XauUsd, starting with the weekly chart. As we see, 2024 started with a consolidation and a slight correction of this initial leg up. And since mid-February, we have a very strong bull leg. It's around 5,000 pips, as we see. And in this bull leg, we only have a consolidation here, so no correction. After this all-time high, we have a normal correction, and here things become very interesting. The price resumed its up move, made a new all-time high here, but as we can see, bulls were unable to keep the price above 2400. The next week, it's a very strong bearish engulfing. We have a small pin bar, and last week we have this extremely bearish candle. It's not even a pin bar, it's a very long-tailed bearish candle engulfing the previous pin bar. So this is indication of a top. Very probable we have a top here. And as we see, the price stopped on Friday on this level of support. I believe that in the coming weeks we will have a drop under this support, and the price, what's happening? The price will drop to this level of consolidation. So we have like more than 1,000 pips drop if we break this support that I believe we will break. Now let's go to daily chart. Here the level of support is more clear. So as I said, we have this initial drop, a new attempt to conquer 2400, a drop, this consolidation, and Friday in this case is an extremely large bearish engulfing, and the price stopped in the level of support. Also, as we can see here, we can argue some kind of head and shoulder with the neckline around here. So if we consider this head and shoulder and take the measured target for the head and shoulders, we also have a measured target, so a drop around here. So this is around slightly under 2200. Now going to a 1 hour chart, so refining even more. If you remember, on Friday I said that I believe that non-farm payroll will bring a reversal, and the reason for this was, let me put, so the price stopped in this level of support initially. So this first leg down stopped in this level of support. We have a level of resistance here, which was broken on Thursday, and of course a small correction, and the price tried to continue to the upside. On Friday I said that I don't believe that we are going above 2400, because this leg up was not impulsive. In fact, if we draw like this, we see that is in fact a rising wedge. So a reversal pattern, which is in fact a correction to this first leg up. And I said on Friday that if we go under this level of support, we can drop hard and under 2300. Of course, I haven't thought it will happen in one day, but I expected this drop. So going further, what I'm expecting, as we see from this 1 hour chart, at this moment we are in a very important level of support. So I expect a correction which should be normal after this 800 pip drop, almost 1000 if we calculate it from this top. 1000, exactly 1000. So I expect a reversal to test this zone, and as I said, continuation to the downside and a break under this level of support. Aggressive traders could look to buy, but understand that buying against this very aggressive drop, this very aggressive drop has a reason. You should be very careful, because we have a lot of resistances to this zone. So first resistance is around here, is the psychological level of 2300. Slightly above we have this consolidation that could offer resistance. Also here, also here. So in my opinion, is better to sell rallies than to buy this support. But if you are very aggressive, you could try to buy this support with a very tight stop loss. So in conclusion, my outlook on gold is extremely bearish, and in the next weeks I expect a drop to 2200 and even below 2200. That's it for today's video. Have a nice Sunday. Bye bye.